Nasdaq daily bias was bullish, going from internal range here to external range at the buy side from Friday. Bias is bullish in the hourly. We've been holding pretty well the bullish PD arrays. Order block in here being held with a wick, and we closed above this breaker. So we had this original consolidation on the 5-minute, and nice Judas swing down at 9:30. We did have a nice 15-minute liquidity sweep on the downside, and we tapped into that 15-minute imbalance, which is this one right here. 5-minute candle closed bullishly after that. So, I mean, everything kind of in motion for ATM model. We just got a gap fill as well, so technically that would fill it. We do have 10 a.m. news. I just want that to complete the market maker model. I preferably would not like to see a trade below this order block range. I can tap it like it's doing now, but really past the mean threshold, I wouldn't like it to cross. If you think about the full structure of things, if we have, smart money reversal, and then it trades up, we have a breaker here that's one order block, then it trades up again, and that down closing range that's formed that taps in the breaker technically is a propulsion block range, right? Because we have an order block that taps into a previous one. It doesn't even have to be on this right side. It could be an inversion gap, or an inversion order block. Trades back down to that. That's where your second stage of distribution most times will happen, especially if you compare it with a gap or a higher time frame order block range, something like that. We haven't seen it run aggressively above this high yet. That would be a true market structure shift, or a true, I guess, break in structure. If you want to count it as one, we got nice speed up, no breakaway gaps left in this range. We'd like to see it run up again above this high, and then a breakaway gap formed somewhere around here. You can kind of see maybe the tiny market maker buy amount within this range too. Sell side sweep, down closing candle. Here's your breaker. Trades into that with the fair value gaps, the unicorn set up probably on like a 30-second chart, something like that. Go ahead and take a stab long there. Stop at the low. Could put it all the way up there, might as well. Just demo, obviously. So context, we got a sweep at 9:30. Stop on maybe internal range to external range on higher time frame. Looking for this tiny market maker buy model to complete, and then it run up and reach for at least 619 with the news driver. It stops at a reasonable position, holding the bullish order block there. We've got multiple PD rays that we, in theory, should hold. So that's kind of the last line in the sand, otherwise it will reach for the stop. Got an order block at this one too. 9:30, 9:31. I'd like to see just run aggressively above that too. Still has not confirmed the market maker buy model, the higher time frame one. Just kind of meandering around here within this larger imbalance, which on the 5-minute probably is, yep. Oh, it's not even a gap on the 5. 4-minute it is one. I mean, if you can see some speed above this last little section in here, I know we could get a little retracement since this portion is a little unfilled with candle bodies. So we could see one down closing candle, maybe print, and then shoot back up, but not preferably. We got 7 seconds till the news or so. Here's your news driver. We got an imbalance here too. Like I said, if you can reach up aggressively above this high and close above like that, then that to me would confirm this larger market maker buy model. It's already around 20 points. You could close it off there. It's your easy profit targets. Got also short-term high here. I actually may take it off above this high if we fail to displace. Let me pull up the 5-minute. Oh, there's your little 5-minute balance I told you about before, right? This tiny inversion gap. Got your wick back and forth within it. I'll take it off there. Although I do think it'll reach up for that original consolidation high. So nice little ditty on NQ there. Screenshot, send it over to future trades. All right, so yeah, sweep at 9:30, SMT there, confirming the SMR. Trades up, fastest inversion. We got some chop within it. Held the bullish order block, which is technically your breaker. This order block in here is technically a breaker because if you dropped onto a lower time frame, we have a low, high, lower low that sweeps liquidity. So that's, to me, would be your breaker. Not over here because this didn't start the move that swept liquidity, right? Breaker for value gap on the 2-minute holds that very, very well. My stop on that first trade was a little bit too tight, I think. I should have just kept it at the bottom end of the breaker. Trades back up. Confirms this market maker buy model here. Pretty solid exit, I mean, in hindsight.